The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb County, Rockdale County, Newton County, Walton County, Gwinnett County, Fulton County, Clayton County, Fayette County, and Coweta County until 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Conyers Police Department in Conyers, Georgia. A site emergency has been issued at the Biolab nuclear power plant. The safety mechanisms have failed, allowing the rainwater to leak into the plant, causing an explosion. This explosion may have released radioactive particles into the air. This may affect residents nearby, and in the city of Conyers. All residents of Conyers are advised to evacuate. These particles move with the wind. The wind is currently traveling northwest, meaning the safest route is on Interstate 20 south. Officials will direct traffic to get to Interstate 20 until you are out of the danger area. If you have no safe place to go, head to the Rockdale Emergency Relief Fund. Police will be waiting there to ensure your safety. Pets are not allowed in shelters. If you have children at school, do not pick them up at school. These schools have their own safety procedures, and will be heading to an area of safety. Listen to local media outlets for more information. The following message is transmitted by request of the Governor, Brian Kemp. The situation at the Biolab power plant has gotten worse, and has infected floodwaters nearby. The city of Conyers has been evacuated, and there have been hundreds of casualties. Governor Brian Kemp has declared a state of emergency, and has ordered Atlanta and northern Georgia to evacuate immediately. If you must evacuate, head to the nearest shelter immediately. Do not come in contact with any groundwater, as it is considered contaminated and possibly radioactive. Get above ground. Bring at least 2 weeks of food and water to your shelter. Bring a battery-powered radio to stay informed about the latest news updates. Evacuate south as the wind is still blowing north to northeast. Stay tuned to your local radios for more information. The nuclear power plant has been contained, and there are no more radioactive materials leaking out of the plant. Stay in your shelter until further notice. It is now safe to come out of your shelter. There are no more radioactive particles around northern Georgia. Thank you.